Tolani Baj. Brighto. Wathoni, you have been evicted. The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija lockdown house is Tolani Baj. Wathoni, you have been evicted. Please leave the lockdown house immediately.
There we go. Oh look, he's shaking. Yes.
What was the new conversation you had with Erica?
First of all, how did you hear that?
Big Brother sees everything.
I know. What is the conversation he had with Erica? Let's start with that.
He's not here, I'm asking you.
No comments.
So were you going to pursue it?
I don't know. I want you to talk about the conversation he had with Erica first.
I would ask him that, not he's not here.
So then, no comments.
He was always making me happy, very happy. I didn't even see it coming, but I'm happy he did.
Are you hoping for things to happen after this?
I don't know. I'm not sure how he feels.
Yeah. Brighto.
Yes,
this is Big Brother. Brighto, you have 10 seconds to leave the Big Brother house. 10.
I think they're cool. I don't know. Okay, for new, I thought you'd have asked V to be his girlfriend by now. Because I think they're the strongest couple in the house.
You think that they're the strongest couple, but you kind of encouraged Tolani Baj to get in the mix, didn't you?
I didn't exactly encourage her. I asked her a question. Are you sure? I thought you and V were cool. And she said, well, V said they're just friends until he asks her. And I'm like, okay, no problem. I'm going to stay out of this because V is not my friend. Tolani is my friend. I'm not going to say anything to V. I'm just going to stay out of it.
Do you mind if it was broken up?
I don't really care.
Fair enough. Kiddwaya and Erica. How do you feel about them?
I think they're good. Yeah, they're happy with whatever it is they're doing. So that's just it.
You said quite a few times to a couple of people saying that she's tried to kiss you a number of times. So that means you might be a distraction. Isn't that what you think?
I'm not. I am 100% sure that I'm not a distraction.
So why do you keep saying that she wants to kiss you, or why do you think she wants to kiss you, like you said?
It was something that happened when she was intoxicated. So I'm pretty sure that was the reason why that happened. Not because, that exactly. She doesn't remember. So she was intoxicated.
Nico, please, can you tell me when I tried to kiss you?
I want to talk about it now.
No.
Housemates, watch the clip carefully.
Yes, Big Brother.
Kiddwaya,
Yes, Big Brother.
your actions have no other words to describe them. Your flipping of fingers to the camera did not go unnoticed. The first incident occurred on the same day you were both issued a strike for disrespecting the head of house rule, only for you to show no remorse and repeat the action yesterday. Erica,
Yes, Big Brother.
you are hereby issued a strong and final warning. Kiddwaya, Yes, brother. For flipping your finger to the camera on a second occasion, you are hereby issued a strike. This means one more strike and you will be immediately disqualified.